Hi there, it's good to see you again. Now, this flash game would be working in progress, since it works for now. Until moments later, there is an issue on that game. You're right, Nom. This flash game doesn't make sense. Okay then, let's use the slideshow to watch behind the scenes. The flash was working in progress, and it works just fine. There is a loading screen. It takes a few seconds to start. As you originally saw, this Nom animation logo came into the flash video, since it works. We like to make sounds, lip sync, platform, and others. Technically, this next scene is going to the loading screen to see me, Sackthing icon. Once it stopped, it's not responding. The flash game closed out automatically, and nothing happened. It looks like these flash videos don't work on Flash 8 when it plays too many times. You know episode 1, 2, and 3 won't work, and neither that, I don't have any left. Sometimes, I was crying if I had tears. I don't know how to use the flash game. This flash game was not cancelled, unreleased, and that would never stop this mess. Otherwise, that's impossible. And do you know why? Flash game sequel needs to be fixed. Well, don't worry. I'm gonna have to fix this game out of no time at all. For right now, Sackboy the Alien Adventures in Time will be coming soon. I know, Nom. We'll see. Now, don't forget to leave a like and comment on this video. But right now, I'll see you there. Hee hee.